Hello friends, I am here with another question. In previous video, I uploaded important chapter of mathematics and one question from sequence and series. And here I took this question from physics, and this question is asked from magnetism, magnetic field. I took this question from a paper of Narayana, and this question is too much easy question. And before this I solved this question, and yet now I am uploaded this question because this question is too much easy question, and this question is asked in JEE Mains paper. So let me solve this question. Firstly, I want to understand you this question, how to deal with question. Two ions, we have a two ions, it means two charge having the same mass. The charge that is given in this question, the mass of these charges are same in the ratio 1:2. The ratio of these ions is 1:2. Okay, we project in this question says two ions projected normally upward. Normally two charges we throw two charges upward normally in a uniform magnetic field. Here is a uniform magnetic field, uniform, no integration involved here because in this question mention the uniform magnetic field with their speed ratio is 2:3. The ratio of speed is also given 2:3. The radii of the circular trajectory is, the concept is circular trajectory. The condition is here, there is a 3 to 4 condition. When the charge throw, then it take linear path, and second one is circular, third one is this one, helical path. So I am going to solve this question. Firstly, I want to write all these things that is given in this question. Here, ratio of charge Q1 and Q2, which is equals to 1/2. This is given. And speed V2 लिख लेते, V1 V2. The ratio of speed is 2:3. You know the magnetic force F is equals to QVB. You know this. If you know this, then question is solved, totally solved, because all this condition, all these are same. And let me solve this question. Here, circular path, one thing that hit in your mind, circular path, force, circular path, no, circular path F is equals to mv square upon r, or m omega square up r. This one. Now equate this both the quantities. This is the value of force, and this is the value of also force. Now equate first and second. I am going to equate this first and second equation. Here one, mv square upon r, which is equals to qvb. Sorry, q, f ni q. Here square cut and velocity, one velocity here and velocity here cut. Here mv upon r, which is equals to qb. Now v1 r1, same like that v2 q1. Sorry, q1 m mass are same, velocity is change and radius change, q change, the value of charge is changed. q2b, two equation, third equation and fourth equation. I am going to divide third and fourth. First of all, R1, which is equals to here, R1 which is equals to mv1 upon q1b. Sorry, this is equation first. And R2 which is equals to qv2 mv2 q2b, second fourth equation. Now I am dividing both equation. R1 upon R2. R1 and R2. R1 and R2. Now the same term is cancelled out, and I am right here. Same term is cancelled out, and I am right here. V1 upon V2 into Q2 upon Q1. V1 upon V2 2 by 3 into Q2 upon Q1 1 by 2 by 1. R1 upon R2 which is equals to 4 by 3. This is the answer of this question. Little bit not a tough question. Only one formula. We remember only one formula this. Then we solve whole this calculation and solve this easily. So thank you so much. If you like this video, and share and subscribe also, hit the bell icon also, and please support me. And the paper of JEE Mains is also too much near, and please focus on your study distraction, maintain distance from distraction. Thank you so much.